Hi there. So today I'm going to challenge you with a communication challenge. You know, we have over 750,000 words to choose from, but we tend to pick the same old words, line them up the same old way, and spit them out of our mouth and expect a different response or a different outcome from our communication. So your challenge is for the next 48 hours, you are not allowed to say no. Now, this is going to hurt some of you. This is when you go home today and the kids are asking for ice cream before dinner, when they're asking for a pony, when somebody wants a motorcycle. This means you use it at work. This is why it's 48 hours. So you put this practice into your real life. When you're using it at work, when you're using it at church, when you're using it with your spouse, for the next 48 hours, you have to stop and think about creative alternatives instead of saying no. I remember when I was a little child, I never heard my dad say, "You can't afford that." I go into the stores all the time and I hear kids screaming for things and parents saying, "Put that back, I can't afford that. I don't have any money for that." And what that does is that creates a minimalist, a lack of in your children. My father used to say, "We don't choose to spend our money on that." He never said we didn't have money. He was a plumber. We weren't wealthy, but I never felt like I did without. He would always just say, we don't choose to spend our money like that. So here's another suggestion you can use, creative suggestion for this exercise not to say no for the next 48 hours. When my kids would come and say, Mommy, can I have a pony? I want a horse so bad. I mean, every little kid wants a horse. I could always say, yes, you can have a horse when you get big enough to buy one and pick him out, and you can put him in a stable, and you're there feeding him and caring for him. As soon as you are 21, you can pick up that horse, ride that horse, care for that horse. Absolutely, you can have a pony. It works. So try it. And let me know how it's working for you. Don't say no. You're not allowed to say no for 48 hours. Come up with some creative, positive solutions instead, so it doesn't become a habit to quickly say no when somebody interrupts you, when somebody wants something from you. Stop, think, and give a creative answer.